Problem statement. Find all rectangles with positive integer sides such that their area and perimeter are numerically equal. Let x and y be the lengths of the sides. The area of the rectangle equals xy, and its perimeter equals 2x plus 2y. According to the problem, we want xy equals 2x plus 2y. Bringing everything to the left side, adding 4 to both sides, factorizing the left-hand side, so we end up with x minus 2 times y minus 2 equals 4, where x minus 2 and y minus 2 must be positive integer divisors of 4. Therefore, one of the following cases must hold. X minus 2 equals 1 and y minus 2 equals 4. X minus 2 equals 4 and y minus 2 equals 1. X minus 2 equals 2 and y minus 2 equals 2. The first two cases give us a rectangle with dimensions 3 and 6, while the third case gives us a square with side length 4. And that's it.